It's a good time of year to do a wardrobe cleanse. So what I start by doing is asking myself if I've worn any of the clothes in the last 6 to 12 months. If I haven't worn them, it's time to store them for Lulu, or I'll sell them. Pile everything up in a heap on your bed, and then you can actually see how much stuff you have and how much stuff you need to get rid of. I store excess clothing like my winter stuff under a spare bed in our spare room. It is a real luxury and it works really well if you have the space. And then I clean my closet out with a spray that's got essential oils, tea tree, just to freshen everything out. Winter woolies, boots and coats all get stored under the bed, and I can shut them away until the weather turns cold again. Underbed storage is great because you can lay your dresses or your coats flat without getting creased. And here's the finished product. Looks so good. It's so much easier getting dressed in the morning now.